Namaste. Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. I am JBN Dr. Anamika Herwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Productions and Operations Management, and today's session is the case study of the Project and Operations Management, Part 2. I have already discussed 3 cases, and these cases are like first is I have told you about product development risk, second is the conflict of interest, third is the project delays. Now another one is the GIT in action. The new phenomena called apparel on demand is slowly making its presence felt. So it is the extension of GIT linking retailers and manufacturers for just-in-time responsiveness. So the NAR clothing, including this promoted by a young management graduate, has recently ventured into the business of making reasonable priced custom jeans for women. So you can say it has partnered with many stores selling women garments. In that stores, women and electronically measured and information like color, fabric style, etc. are recorded. These are recorded electronically. Okay. So the information reaches the NAR manufacturing facility at Ahmedabad almost immediately through a state-of-art information system. So NAR guarantees delivery of the custom jeans within 10 days. Okay, so means with the growing acceptance of jeans among the women in India, especially in the urban areas, the market of women's jeans is growing at the fast pace. Right? Now see, NAR with its unique business model hopes to garner a significant share of this market. So you can say it would be the promoter of NAR among with her top executives and confident that their concept of GIT jeans would work. So there are some questions which arise like, do you think NAR's strategy would work? Why or why not? What is the importance of retailers in its business strategies? The second question is, will customer wait for 10 days to have the jeans delivered? What can NAR do to compete on customer service if delivery takes this much time? Okay. Next question is the comment on the necessity of a robust supply chain in the context of NAR clothing industries. So they should be prepared all these questions. On the basis of these, they will move forward. Okay, also they move forward, you can say. Now the next case is the service blues. Jyoti had given her branded laptop for servicing to an authorized service center to repair a damaged USB port. Okay, have you heard about this? Okay, so the laptop was to be given the next day, but when she went to take it that day, she was told that it was not ready. So Jyoti had to wait for 4 more days before she was finally given her laptop. Okay, because she was in a hurry while receiving the repaired laptop, she did not check the workings of the laptop at that time. So on reaching home and switching on the laptop, she noticed that LCD display had become problematic. The next day, she again went to the service center and reported the display problem. Jyoti has gasped when she was informed that she had signed and delivery document. The service center cannot take responsibility for the display problem. So she was asked to fill up a fresh service requisition form to get the problem rectified, and further was told that all expenses incurred in rectifying the problem had to be paid by her. So this is the problem. So here the question is, do you think that after sales service through a third party is a cause for concern? Justified. There seems to be a breach of trust in the given castle. How is breach of trust related to quality of service? The third one is, in the context of the given castle, formulate a quality service policy to ensure customer satisfactions. So these are some cases through which you can use in your production. So these are some references. You can go through these references also. And so thank you so much. This is all about today's session, and this session powered by Digital Media Art 2.0, Jagati Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.